Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Honda Pilot headlights is probably one of the most crucial components for your vehicle's safety and performance, especially when navigating through challenging weather conditions or dimly lit roads. Ensuring you have optimal visibility is paramount for preventing accidents and enjoying a confident driving experience. And today we're diving deep into what makes a set of headlights truly stand out for your 2006 Honda Pilot, helping you make an informed decision for your automotive needs. Number 5. SYLVANIA H11 XtraVision Halogen Headlight Bulb. Headlight performance can decrease over time. For optimal brightness and safety, it's best to replace your bulbs in pairs. This ensures consistent illumination. Experience improved visibility on the road ahead. These bulbs offer a clearer view without causing distracting glare for other drivers. Engineered with a robust filament and a special gas mixture, these bulbs are designed for superior and consistent performance. They are built for durability to enhance your driving experience. To guarantee the correct fit for your vehicle, always use the Amazon Part Finder. Confirm the specified position and any additional notes for your specific make and model. These high-performance bulbs are available in a wide range of common types to fit various vehicle needs. Check compatibility for your specific application. Manufactured with durability in mind, these bulbs are designed to improve your driving situation. Enjoy maximum durability and a safer journey. What we like. These bulbs offer enhanced visibility without added glare. They feature a robust filament design for superior performance and are manufactured for maximum durability. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting upgrade to your standard headlights, these are a great choice. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit for the 2006 Honda Pilot. Easy to install and they look great on the car. The light output is significantly brighter than the old ones, improving visibility at night. Number 4. SYLVANIA SilverStar Ultra H11 Halogen Headlight Bulb. Introducing the SYLVANIA SilverStar Ultra H11. Experience the brightest light down the road, illuminating every detail for safer driving. Our advanced tri-band technology delivers the whitest light, enhancing contrast and making it easier to see road signs and hazards. With superior down-road visibility, these bulbs help you see all aspects of the road better, improving your nighttime driving experience. For maximum performance and visibility, always replace your headlight bulbs in pairs. If one burns out, the other is likely to follow soon. Use the Amazon Part Finder to confirm the correct position and notes for your vehicle. This ensures an exact fit for optimal performance. Upgrade your vehicle with these bright white halogen bulbs. They offer a sleek style and significantly improve safety during nighttime driving. What we like. Experience the brightest down-road visibility with a whiter light for improved clarity. Its patented tri-band technology enhances contrast and object visibility. If you prioritize seeing the road clearly with a more natural, white light and want to improve nighttime driving safety, these are the bulbs for you. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit for the 2006 Honda Pilot. Easy to install and they look great on the car. The light output is significantly brighter than the old ones, improving visibility at night. Number 3. AutoSaver 88 Headlight Assembly for 2006 to 2011 Civic Coupe. Upgrade your 2006 to 2011 Civic Coupe with these OE-style replacement headlamps. They offer a direct fit for your two-door model. Featuring a sleek chrome housing and an amber park lens, these lights enhance your vehicle's appearance. They are designed for high beam 9005 and low beam 9006 bulbs, which are sold separately. Don't worry about the weather. These assemblies are fully sealed with solid silicone and feature one-way vents to prevent moisture buildup, ensuring no corrosion. Experience improved visibility with metallic parabolic reflectors that provide more light output. This creates a broader and smoother beam for a safer driving experience. Stay safe on the road thanks to the microprism reflectors on the sides. These ensure you are quickly noticed by oncoming traffic at night. Built to last, the polycarbonate lens and tough housing are highly resistant to shock and vibration. Professional installation is recommended for optimal performance. What we like. These assemblies are fully sealed and designed with one-way vents to prevent moisture. They feature metallic parabolic reflectors for brighter, broader beams and a polycarbonate lens for high impact resistance. If you need a complete headlight assembly that offers improved illumination and can withstand tough road conditions, this is a solid option. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit for the 2006 Honda Pilot. Easy to install and they look great on the car. The light output is significantly brighter than the old ones. Number 2. JSBOYAT Headlight Assembly for 2006 to 2008 Honda Pilot. Ensure your 2006 to 2008 Honda Pilot shines bright with these replacement headlight assemblies. Designed for a seamless fit, they bring clarity back to your nighttime drives. Constructed with high-quality, durable polycarbonate, these headlights are built to withstand the elements. They are waterproof and impact-resistant, promising long-lasting performance. Experience a safer drive thanks to improved reflectivity. The microprism reflectors and chrome finish make you more visible to other drivers, enhancing your safety at night. Get back on the road quickly with plug-and-play installation. These assemblies are designed for direct bolt-on replacement, requiring no modifications for a straightforward setup. This package includes both the driver and passenger side headlight assemblies. You'll have everything you need to restore your vehicle's lighting in one convenient set. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you promptly. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. Constructed with high-quality, heavy-duty polycarbonate plastic, these assemblies are waterproof and impact-resistant. They feature microprism reflectors and chrome finishes for increased reflectivity and safety. If you're looking for a direct replacement that enhances both safety and driving experience with a straightforward installation, consider these. What people say. The headlights fit perfectly and were easy to install. The light output is significantly brighter than the old ones, improving visibility at night. They look great on the car and give it a more modern appearance. Number 1. FRANXI H4 9003 HB2 LED Bulbs. Experience a dramatic upgrade in visibility with these super bright LED bulbs. They deliver an astonishing 600% more brightness, ensuring you can see every detail on the road. These bulbs produce a powerful 16,000 lumens of light, casting a crisp 6,000 K cool white beam. This provides excellent clarity and a modern look for your vehicle. Built to withstand the elements, these lights are IP67 waterproof, offering reliable performance in any weather. Their robust construction ensures they are built to last. Installation is a breeze with their plug-and-play design. No external drivers or connectors are needed, allowing for a quick and easy 5-minute setup. Designed to fit 99% of vehicle systems, these bulbs offer broad compatibility. For the rare sensitive systems, a simple canvas decoder can ensure perfect function. Please verify your vehicle's compatibility using your user manual or original bulb part number. Contact us if you need any assistance confirming the correct size. What we like. These bulbs deliver an impressive 16,000 lm of brightness with a 6,000 K cool white light. They are designed for easy plug-and-play installation and are built to last with a high-speed cooling fan. If you want a significant brightness upgrade and a clean, modern white light with a simple installation process, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The headlights are a perfect fit for the 2006 Honda Pilot. The headlights are easy to install and look great on the vehicle. The light output is significantly brighter than the old headlights, improving visibility at night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.